automatically delete filler words and pauses for faster editing, better caption editing, and better sequence settings have been added to Premiere Pro in a recent update. But with the Christmas holidays, you might have missed some of the new features. So here are 5 new features you might want to try out to speed up your editing. Deleting pauses and filler words. Let Premiere Pro do the hard work when it comes to your editing. This new feature will save you a ton of time when cutting up your takes. Premiere can now auto-detect and remove pauses and filler words. So here's a clip from me. Just select the clip, transcribe, and then click this little icon here that looks like a funnel, and you'll see these options. Click pauses, and this will select all the pauses in your clip. Then just select delete all, and this will instantly delete all of those sections out of your clip. How great is that? There's a new way of organizing your essential graphics. Now, if you're someone who uses graphics in Premiere Pro, and like me, you have hundreds that you've downloaded over the years, when you come to scroll through them, sometimes you just can't find that really good one that you have. Well, now you can make folders in the Essential Graphics panel. So click this plus button here. I'm gonna make a new folder and name it Favorites. And then just click Choose. Now you'll see it appear here. Now go and find all of the graphics that you use the most and just drag and drop them into this folder. Then when you click this box, it will just display your favorites. Now the one thing I really hated about Captions in Premiere Pro was that you couldn't edit them easily. You couldn't even put any effects on them. Well, Adobe have listened to us. Now all you have to do is select all the captions, go up here to Graphics and Titles, and select Upgrade Caption to Graphic. Now this will turn them into graphics, and you can now drag and drop effects directly onto them. Just a quick tip, but now Premiere Pro has finally updated to have sequence presets for any type of platform you want. You have broadcast, 1080p options for 9:16 socials, 4K HDR, and standard 4K. So that's a nice update to get the sequence settings perfect in Premiere Pro. And finally, a super quick tip that has always saved us, as it happens to us a lot when editing. If you're ever working on a big and busy timeline, for some reason, when you've lost your audio track from a clip, instead of going through all of your folders to find it, simply just tap the F key and this will show you the audio track. Now you can just drag this back in. Quick and easy, and panic over. So there you go, that's 5 quick new tips to help you edit faster in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.